Hi, I'm Dr. Marianne Cintron, founder of Step by Step Dyslexia Solutions. If what I share inspires you and you want me to continue giving these teaching lessons out, please consider donating on our website at dyslexia-solutions.com. I want to talk a little bit more about the consonant LE words. I spoke yesterday to a Kiwanis organization, and one of the questions they asked me was, do we use structured literacy or whole word? And the answer is we want to teach structured literacy, but there is a little bit of whole word that comes in when we work because kids do have to memorize some stuff, but there are rules to English grammar. For example, well, first of all, I want to ask you, did you know that when kids are memorizing words as pictures, it's going to go to the right side of the brain as we store pictures. When they learn to sound words out, the language is going to go to the left side of the brain, the language center. So kids will learn phonics rules, but when they memorize them, they're still going to go to the language center. For example, we teach the children C-E-C-I-C-Y, right? But when we spell the word simple, they might think it's C-I-M-P-L-E. So they have to learn it's S-I-M-P-L-E. So it's kind of the exception to the rule, but that's where they're going to store it on the left side of their brain. And with repetition of reading, it's going to make sense. Another example is gentle. That would follow the rule, G-E-N-T-L-E. So I want to show you this little lesson, and I'm going to use my camera, my document camera, which is why I have my gloves, because I want to share with you this graphic organizer I created, and you can create one at home. I like to wrap up my review using this. So I'm going to share my screen and go to my document camera. Where are you, document camera? Let me see. Okay, we are still here. Let me share my screen. I'm going to stop share and go back to share. So this is what I want to show you. I just finished some very exciting days. I show a picture of a turtle that I just downloaded from the internet. And so first I want to start and have the student draw a turtle. So I'm going to draw my turtle. And I am not really that kind of an artist, freelance artist. So terrible. Anyway, my rendition of a turtle. Sorry. So first I want to start with, I'll have the student write T-U-R-T-L-E. And we're going to code our vowels, code our syllables, count back 3. So C-L-E, you count back 3. And so that's a syllable. So first we're going to do twins. And we're going to do words like bubble, consonant twins, goggles. We can do apples. And we have bottles, middle, giggle. I'm not going to do all of them, but we do twins. Then we're going to do our non-twins. This would be, I like to do this two ways. I have my non-twins, which are bossy R first. So I do circle. Count back 3, we divide right there. Purple. Count back 3, we divide right there. Marble. Count back 3, we divide there. So then more non-twins. Here we have the word gentle. So let me put more non-twins. Gentle. This follows the rule that G-E-G-I-G-Y say J. Gentle. Simple. Count back 3. Kids love to hear the word pimple. So I talk about rhymes. Do they have dimples? Do they have pimples? So one thing I want to show is, well, we could do grumble. Count back 3. Now the word tackle has that CK, and they've been taught we don't end a short vowel with a C. We have to have it with a CK. However, since KLE is part of the syllable type, consonant LE, we're going to separate the C and the K. So I'm going to put TACKLE because we have to count back 3. This is different from what your dictionary will show you because your dictionary is going to want to separate the LE. So we have tackle and we have freckle, other words like that. So then I teach, now we're going to go back to, we're going to do some long vowel words. Well, they're long vowel in the first syllable, but let's go ahead and draw our turtle again. This time I'm going to draw the top of the turtle and I'm going to make some shapes on the shell. And I'm going to give this turtle a little head out here, his little feet, My student showed me how to do the top of the turtle, and a little tail. That one looks a little bit better, doesn't it? Okay, so now we're going to do long vowel words where we separate, count back 3, it's going to be between the long vowel and the LE word. So it's angle, count back 3. Now this still has a protector, so it's another exception to the rule, all right? Compare it to table, count back 3, which has a word in it, able. Write the word Bible, always capitalize, count back 3, long I. Staples, the store, or you could show your students some staples. If you have it as a proper noun, remind them they need to capitalize it. You count back 3 from the E. So we have staples. So another tip, and we have, where was I? So in the word angle, it's the exception to the rule because it's a long ang. So that's where the whole language would come in because they would have to memorize that rule, but it's just such an exception to the rule. So you could take advantage of that learning opportunity. One word I always used to get wrong was angle compared to angel. You could go ahead and show them that J is a soft sound for gel, but the angle is a math term. So you're going to have angles. and it's your consonant LE word. So there's a little mini lesson in a lesson there. And then the other thing I want to point out is chapel with angel. So angel goes like that, and chapel. These are some words that kids really can get confused. The angel with the chapel. Okay, so I hope that helps. Anyway, that ends my, I just wonder how that is. So anyway, that ends my lesson with the PowerPoint. I mean, with the picture. So I hope this has helped you. And if what I've shared has inspired you, please share it with other teachers.